If you want to connect your Redmi Note 15 Pro or Pro Plus with a car, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna go to More Connectivity Options. And then in here, we need to scroll down in order to find the Android Auto option. Now, in here, we can tap on Connect a Vehicle. You have the first instruction, so you can use a USB cable and connect your phone to your car. And most of the time, you actually have to have USB-C to USB-C cable, but of course, there are some exceptions, and you might be able to use the original cable. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, then in this case, we can tap on this text here at the bottom. This allows you to find some additional instructions, so you can follow them, but you can also just straight up go to Bluetooth settings. You can choose connect using Bluetooth and then pair a vehicle. And then you should be able to find your car on this list of available devices and then connect to your car like that. Subscribe to my channel.